Welcome to our channel. Today we how to record screen on iPhone step by step clearly. To begin, unlock your iPhone and access the home screen. Swipe down from the upper right corner of the screen to open the control center. Look for the screen recording icon, which resembles a solid dot within a circle. If you don't see the icon, navigate to Settings and select Control Center. Then, tap on Customize Controls. Find screen recording in the list and tap the green plus sign to add it. Return to the home screen and open the Control Center again. Tap the screen recording icon to start recording. A countdown of 3 seconds will appear, giving you time to prepare. To record audio alongside the screen, press and hold the screen recording icon. Then, tap the microphone icon to turn it on, and tap Start Recording. Once you're ready, exit the control center and perform the actions you want to record. To stop recording, open the control center again and tap the screen recording icon. Alternatively, you can tap the red status bar at the top of your screen and select Stop. Your recording will be saved automatically to the Photos app. To view your recording, open the Photos app and locate it in your library. From here, you can trim, edit, or share the video as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.